We're having a lot of snow here in New York. Huh. You like to suet though, and you're out of the wind here. He's a sweet little bird, this one. Aren't you? You're sweet. Alright, well, I just want to say bye for the evening. I've been out here many, many times today, trying to keep the snow off the feeders as much as possible. Yeah. Hello, little buddy. Sweet little thing. This is a male Downy Woodpecker. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, buddy. You stay safe tonight. I'll see you in the morning. Let me see, we got a lot of... See them out here? Got this rigged up so they have somewhere to, hide from the snow. Getting a lot of snow because this is like constantly snowing, and I just feel this just keeps snowing. All right, fella. Oh wait, let's see. Here, I'm just gonna. I'll shove him. He doesn't even care. He's like, nah, I don't care. Hi, lady. Hello. These are really not the greatest feeders. That's what I got, though. The snow just collects in them terribly. You don't care, do ya? He's like, I got suet, I'm good. You don't care. You got suet, you're good. Let's check this one before we go in. Let's see. Oh, I should fill that one a little more. That's got enough for the rest of the day. We only got about an hour or so of daylight. Or so. Alright. Alright, good night, dear. Good night, little fella. I'll see you tomorrow. Sweet thing. I love you. I love you.